Your industry has a unique set of average values for common financial ratios, just like every other company does. So when you look at the financial ratios of your own company or a major customer, you should know what the average values are for its industry. Your specific ratios don't need to match the industry average, but if they differ significantly, you should know why they differ. You can buy recent financial ratios from various companies, but in this video, I'll show you how to calculate current and historical ratios for free. So let's get started. Yahoo has a great industry center. This URL displays a page that shows a list of all the industries they cover. After you click on the industry you want, click on the next page's industry browser, is shown here, to go to a list of all public companies they cover in the industry you've chosen. The industry browser page has a table of companies and key ratios. In just about any browser other than Firefox, you can copy the table and paste it into Excel. When you have the list of companies and tickers, you might want to remove some of them. Perhaps a company is too diversified to be relevant, or perhaps it's near bankruptcy. Whatever the reason, delete the companies you don't want to include. Then you can extract the ticker symbols. For example, this is a list from the sporting goods stores industry with their ticker symbols. Here's how to isolate the tickers quickly. Select the list, choose Data, Text to Columns, choose Delimited, choose Other with the left paren, click Finish. As you can see in the formula bar, this puts the tickers with the ending paren in column B. Then you can use Search and Replace to get rid of the other paren. Now that we have a list of tickers, we can get to work. This worksheet contains the financial detail about each company in the industry. The next worksheet summarizes the data and calculates the ratios. Because you can download this workbook from the URL near this video, I'll just explain its data and formulas quickly. Column A has a row number counter. It allows us to sort the data in some other order and then sort it back into the order you see here. Column B has the tickers. Column C has a formula that uses a KydWeb function to return the name of the company. Column D specifies the statement. Here we want the quarterly income statement. Column E specifies the line of data we want. To know what data is available, we need to look at any NASDAQ quarterly income page. So up here, I use another KydWeb function that returns the URL for the first ticker in the list. As I page down, you can see that I've picked out key lines from the income statement and then from the balance sheet down there. Finally, in this worksheet, we have a formula in cell G4 that returns the specified value for the date above it. Notice that for the quarterly income statement, I divide by 3 to return a value for the month rather than the quarter. I copied this formula to the rest of the area. In the summary worksheet, I essentially create a simplified income statement and balance sheet by month for the entire industry. To do so, I use the SumProduct function to sum all of the data for each line item for each month. With the industry financial statement in place, I can easily calculate the ratios, chart the trends, or perform any other analysis I want. By summing the data like this, the largest companies have the largest effect on my ratios. If that's not what I want, I could use another worksheet to find the ratios for each company and then average them. Finally, because all the industry data comes from the web, I can update this workbook by opening it at any time and then pressing F9 to recalculate it. This is Charlie Kyd, and I'll see you in the next video.